Hey guys, James here again with MTech Digital. I'm here to show you something very simple today. It's all about installing a template or a theme. So last week I took you into ThemeForest. I showed you around ThemeForest. I showed you how to find a great theme, low cost, popular, something that's going to be really great. And now you're pumped. You want to get going on that theme. You want to build out yourself a website and it's going to look awesome. But the problem is, once you buy that theme, you now have this file that you download, and what do you do with it? It's nothing to be intimidated by. It's just a matter of knowing where to go, where to put it, where they belong, what the files are for, what's included in those files. Nothing to it. Let's get rolling. So what you're going to be uploading and installing in WordPress is actually a zip file. And in this case, I have this file here that looks like it's what I would upload, but what I warn you is sometimes you need to open that zip file first because there might be things inside that you're supposed to upload, not this one file. So I would unpack this. It's now going to unzip this folder, which I can look inside, and you're going to see, sure enough, there are files within the files, and this is the file that I actually want to install. When you buy a theme on a website like ThemeForest, there might be several things packaged into it, including the license information, some source files like Photoshop files that were used to develop graphics or layout items. And so you want to look inside, because if I were to upload this full zip file that I originally had, it's going to error on me. It's not going to work. So I go inside, I make sure that there isn't a zip file inside that's the actual installation file. And in this case, that's exactly what is happening, and this is the one I want to install. So when I go into WordPress, I want to upload that. Alright, so here we are, we're inside our WordPress website once again, and what we're going to do is go into our Appearance tab on the side, into Themes, and that's going to bring us to our theme settings. And here you'll see the themes that are currently installed, and none of these are the ones that we like or want. We want to bring something new into WordPress. So you notice down here there's an Add New Theme button. There's also an Add New tab right here. So whichever you select is fine. If you select this, it's going to bring you to a place where you can go through all the themes that are inside of WordPress that are made for quick installation. And some of these aren't that bad, some of them are actually pretty good. But what I did is I went outside of WordPress and I bought a theme that I want to upload. And you notice right here is there's an Upload Theme button. I want to click that. I'm going to find my file. Here's my zip file. Here's the file I unzipped. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to find this file, which is the one I want to upload. I'm going to hit open. It's now going to bring me to here where I can hit install now. So now you can see it's going through the process of installing, and it says it unpacked it, it installed the theme, and it's now successfully installed. And I can choose to activate it right now. But what I'm going to do is go back to my themes, and I'm going to look at the ones that are installed. And you can see there's the ones that were there previously, but now I have the option of installing this, and I can go through the process of previewing it to see if I am sure that's what I want. But of course that's what I want. So what I can do at this point is I can choose to activate it, and that's what I'm going to do. So before I do that, I want to visit the site. I just want to show you the difference. So here we open it up in a tab once again. Here's my demo site, my very ugly website, which I look at and I think, no, this is not what I want. I want this beautiful new theme that I purchased. So now I'm going to hit activate. So what happens is that once I install it, it takes me to this new page, which if you look on my left menu, there's now a new item on the left, and this is the theme that I bought called the 7. And the 7 is my template. It has all the items associated with it here. There's some theme options that now appear here. And I'm going to go through all this in a future episode, but I would now begin the process of setting up and optimizing this template for my website and my wishes. And if I go back to my demo and I refresh this, it's going to look totally different now. There you go. And it looks very simple and ugly all over again, but now that's the beauty of this. When I bought my template, I had looked at it, I had scouted out what it looks like in demo form, what can I do with this template, and the idea is I'm going to work with this, I'm going to customize it, I'm going to add my own feature graphics, and it's going to look awesome when I'm done. So what I want to do is really, I want to take you through the whole process of building this site. I'm going to build it with you. I'm going to show you how to build all the things into it. And it's not that you need to buy this particular theme, but it's just going to show you, look, this is what happens when you buy a theme and you now are going through the process of customizing it for your needs. It turns out pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your installation.